Hello, bonjour, my name is Arlette. I'm a visual textile artist and a pattern maker as well. My practice as a visual textile artist is to create cultural and educational programs where we upcycle fabrics and use natural dyes on fabrics to create sustainable art. In my workshop, I use the visual literacy approach to tell a story, to explore the world, and to inspire social change and inclusion. I've been profiled in interviews with CBC Radio Canada and featured in Salvage Magazine, a UK publication, for my vegan approach to textile art at the Textile Museum of Canada and at the Aga Khan Museum. I believe that being resourceful can lead to a more artistic freedom. That's the reason why in my collage and craft workshop, we use old and recyclable materials. We play with fabrics rather than papers and vice versa. We play with paint rather than images and vice versa to give a unique and personal approach to the artwork. To make my workshop more sustainable, I always encourage participants to use found materials around the house to minimize environmental impact. I am pleased to join forces with Orfe EcoArt program and promote our 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's help minimize pollution and save the planet. Now let's be resourceful together and create some beautiful art pieces. I can't wait to share my techniques with you. So see you soon. À très bientôt.